Packed your pain in quiet boxes, taped them shut with "I'm fine" and "it's okay." But I can see the weight you're carrying in the way you look away. You think you have to walk this darkness with no map and no one near. But honey, even shadows fade when someone chooses to stay here. So let your armor crack a while. You don't have to be so strong. There's grace in letting someone in when everything feels wrong. You're not alone, not in the storm, not in the rain, not when your heart forgets your name, not when the world feels cold and gray. I'll be your light until you find your way. You're not alone, and you never have to be. I've been where your feet are standing, felt the ache of empty rooms, heard the echo of my own voice in the silence of the gloom. But love shows up in small moments, a text, a call, a hand to hold. And slowly, softly you remember your story still unfolding. You're not alone, not in the doubt, not in the fear, not when the end feels way too near, not when your tears won't stop. I'll be your shelter, your soft place to drop. You're not alone, and you never have to be. You are worthy of being held, even when you feel undone. You are loved not for your strength, but for the light you are, just as you are. You're